In this video, I'm going to show you how to prime the pump in your DPI610E handheld pressure calibrator. Firstly, we'll need to fill the reservoir. We'll do this by using a squeeze bottle to a 75% level. We recommend using demineralized water or mineral oil. Place the cover in position and turn the nut clockwise until finger tight, then turn anti-clockwise 1/4 turn. Next, we're going to prime the DPI610E. Firstly, set up the internal pressure function on the calibrator screen. Close the test port with a blanking plug. Open the pressure release valve anti-clockwise. Turn the volume adjuster fully until it stops. This is the 0 point. Then close the pressure release valve fully clockwise. Next, slowly operate the priming pump until the pressure reading is between 10 and 15 bar. Pull the priming pump backwards until it stops. Start turning the volume adjuster anti-clockwise. While turning the volume adjuster, push the priming pump slowly and simultaneously inwards until the volume adjuster stops. This increases and fills the volume. Slowly operate the priming pump until the pressure reading is between 10 and 15 bar. Then turn the pressure release valve 1/4 turn anti-clockwise to release the pressure. The pressure reading should be approximately 0 bar if using a gauge sensor, or about 1 bar if using an absolute sensor. Slowly operate the pump until no air bubbles come out from the hole in the reservoir center tube. Remove the blanking plug and close the pressure release valve clockwise. After this, slowly turn the volume adjuster wheel 2 to 5 turns clockwise to remove all the trapped air. Air bubbles may be at the test port. If bubbles are coming out after 5 turns, or no water is coming out at all, then restart the priming sequence. If you're connecting directly to a device under test, skip this step. If using a hose connection, then start by connecting the hose to the test port and blank off the other end. Make sure the hose is held vertically or the end of the hose is positioned higher than the test port level. This ensures air is pushed to the end of the hose. Slowly operate the pump until the pressure reading is between 10 and 15 bar. Open the pressure release valve 1/4 turn anti-clockwise to release the pressure. Close the pressure release valve fully clockwise hand tight. Holding the hose end vertically, remove the blanking plug. Dip the hose into a suitable container with the same hydraulic fluid. Make sure the volume adjuster is fully retracted anti-clockwise, then rotate the volume adjuster clockwise approximately 10 rotations. Use the priming pump gently to move the fluid into the container to push the air bubbles from the hose. Stop when you see no more air bubbles. Hold the test device in position in the test port or hose end and turn the swivel connector until hand tight. Rotate the volume adjuster anti-clockwise for about half the number of turns in the previous step, at the same time slowly pushing the priming pump to keep the pressure between 10 and 15 bar. Prime the system to a maximum pressure of 25 bar, and now the system is ready to be pressurized up to 1000 bar. Thank you for watching. To find out more, please visit our website.